Hello everyone, welcome back to K2 Blogging, and in today's video I'm going to show you how you can create a custom 404 page in your Blogger website. So let me go to a 404 page here. So let me type some random URL here and it will open a 404 page. So we need to edit the 404 page of our Blogger website. So let's check how we can do that. So first of all, we need to go to our Blogger dashboard and click on theme and make sure to take a backup of your theme first. So let's click on here and click on backup so that it will download a backup file to your computer. So you can see there is an XML file that is downloaded to your computer. So once you make the changes and if you want to revert back to the original state, then you can restore that backup. Alright, after that let's click on edit HTML. Now here you need to search for the 404 code. So I will type Ctrl+F and search for 404 and here it is. Be if condition data view is error, and we have the 404 page, we have the message and the 404 button that we see here. And let me remove this code from my theme. Let's search for any other 404 page code. So let me see. As you can see, there is a 404 code here. So we need to remove this code and replace a new code. So let me hit enter here. So let me comment it for now, so you can remove that as well. And let me add my own custom 404 code. So let me copy that and let me paste it here. So here you can see the styling of the 404 page, and here you can replace the 404 image, and you can change your headline, you can change your paragraphs here, and here it will go back to home page. So you can change that to any other page if you want. So you can add that button here. So let me click on save. Now let me open a 404 page in a new tab. So I will type any random number, and as you can see, this is how the 404 page looks like. So earlier it was looking just boring, and now it is looking quite interesting. And let me click on inspect and see how it looks in mobile, and this is how it looks in mobile devices. So you can also make it dark mode compatible, but the paragraph is not showing because we need to add a color for dark mode. So let me select the dark mode class is dark. So as you can see, this is the dark mode class. So if I switch to light mode, the class is removed from the HTML, but if I click on dark mode, it has added a class is dark. So it may be vary depending upon your theme. So let me copy that code first and let me switch to light mode, and let me select the paragraph here, and we need to add the class. So I will type dot and I will paste the class and add a space here. Now I need to add a color to white so that this will apply to dark mode only. So let me switch to dark mode. As you can see, the paragraph is now switched to white, and in light mode it is back to normal. So let me switch to dark mode and let me copy this code from here. So I will right click on it and I will click on copy rule. Now I need to paste this dark mode CSS as well, and I don't need all this. I just need the color to white in the dark mode. Now let me click on save. Now let's refresh this page, and this is how it looks in the dark mode, and I can switch to light mode. So it is working perfectly fine. So you can replace the image. So you can see this is the URL of the image. Just upload the image to your Blogger website and copy the URL. So you can find a lot of 404 images in the StorySide website. Just search for 404 and you can see you have a lot of options. So you can use any of the image. Just click on the image and download the PNG file, and then you can go to your Blogger dashboard, and I have created a draft here. So you can just upload the image and make sure to set it as original size, and after that right click on it and you can copy the image address here, so that it will copy the image URL to your clipboard, and later you can replace the image URL here in the source URL. So this is how you can add a custom 404 page to your Blogger website, and you can customize everything. You can add headings, paragraphs, or if you want add more buttons, then you can also add that. Just duplicate this line and you can add more button links, and here you can change the font size, color, margin, padding. So all these settings are available here. And if you still have doubt regarding 404 page in Blogger, then do let us know in the comment section. And if you found this video helpful, make sure to hit the like button, and I will see you in the next one. Thank you.